Hey guys, the good folks over at VROAVIE gifted me this dash cam to do a little box opening, go over it, and do a little demonstration, see how well it does. We're going to get it opened up and see what we got. I see some stuff over on the side, but let's see what we got in the box. All right, first thing I'm seeing is the camera here. Oh wow, check that out, that is cool. It has dual lenses, one on each side, well actually three. One over here, that'll pivot around, then the one over here. That is neat. I've never seen a dash camera like that. We'll get out the rest of it and then we'll go over the cameras. If we have our little book here on it, little sticky thing that you put on the glass and then you stick the camera to that. Our mount here, which will stick to the windshield and this to the camera. Not real sure. There's a little crowbar right here. You'll use this to pull your trim down around your headliner and stuff and poke the cable in behind it. Oh yeah. This right here will plug into the OBD of your car. This is our hardware kit here. So that's going to get power. There's your rear camera. Like plenty of cable on that. Little cable clips. Yeah, I said I didn't know what this one was. This is our external GPS. Stick that on your windshield as well. Okay, looking here on the bottom, this is where you'll plug in your rear camera, plug in your GPS right there, and your power plug. It's a USB-C port. And as I mentioned, you can rotate these lenses out to the side or inside the cabin, whatever you want to do. You can actually put them just like that if you wanted to. That would be kind of neat. I've never seen a camera with two of these. It's really cool. Also here is your micro SD card. This is a Lexar 128 gigabyte card. And then you have your reset button right here. And here on the bottom we have our menu button, OK button, our left and right arrow, and our power button right here. And this radar says that it will detect things going on around your car before they actually get to your car. I guess that's when you have it wired up like this one does, it has continuous power. Doesn't require a extra wiring harness or anything. I'm gonna go out there and get it hooked up. And okay, we got it hooked up here. You can go into your menu just by clicking the M. That will go into your different menu options. You scroll through those with the arrows. Click the menu button again to switch to the general settings. Use the arrow to scroll through those. Push it again to exit. You're back there. On the videos here, you got four of them. You got your front camera, which is this one right here. You got your left side camera, that one. Then you got your right side, which is this one. And then your rear camera right there. Really cool. And the radar detection will detect motion. You can change that from 9 foot to 16 foot. It's got a sensitivity on it. It'll go into the sleep mode here, or screensaver, I guess you would call it. When you turn your car off, it will power down, and when any of the cameras detect motion, it will kick back on and start recording. So we'll turn the car off, and I'll kind of show you. I'm going to skip because you got to wait like 90 seconds. And after a few seconds, this will turn off. We have to be real still. It's powering off, and it will start saving power. And if you just move, which we moved a little, this thing is really sensitive. It don't take much to set this thing off. It'll start recording. Now we've got it sitting up there ready to go. You can set your side ones to point towards your doors. And that one over on the other side is over here on the right, bottom right. And top right is your rear camera, top left is your front camera. So what do y'all think about it? Did a pretty good job. I really don't have any major complaints about it. One of the things I would have liked to have seen in it was it do 4K instead of 1080. Also, the GPS and being a separate device, it would have been nicer if it had been made onto the camera itself. A lot of them are. But the one huge thing that makes up for all of that is the fact that it will plug into the OBD and it will stay powered all the time. And it's got that radar detection. That is really nice. I had that little video clip where I just ran up to the car and started to open the door, and it started videoing it as soon as, I mean, it took it just a second, but then it started recording right as I was opening the door. So if you had somebody getting into your car or something, you'd definitely be able to get them on video, no doubt about it. Did a really good job, I thought. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. And if you got any kind of value at all out of this video, I would appreciate it if you'd hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.